Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to our another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to add picture background to chart in Microsoft Word. Let's get started. At first, we have to open a Word document. Now we want to add picture background to this chart. Firstly, insert a chart. Go to the insert menu and click chart option. Then select a chart, then click OK. Then click right button on our mouse of this chart, then go to the format chart area. Now we can see here many options. We select the picture or texture field, then go to our file, then choose a picture. Then we can see here we added picture background to this chart very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.